Welcome to Course 101, Symbol Fundamentals. This is your first step in learning more about Symbol blockchain. What is Symbol? Symbol is the trusted and secure value exchange platform for business. Its goal is to become the connector between business, blockchain, and people. Symbol is the second iteration of the NEM blockchain. NEM launched its first blockchain, NIS1, back in 2015 as a trailblazing implementation of distributed ledger blockchain technology, with a focus on efficiency, scalability, and developer friendliness. It achieved quick growth following its launch and has never had any downtime. NEM's success showed that blockchain technology can be used not only to transact money, but also for anything that needs representation of value. For example, supply chain tracking, accounting systems, stocks trading, records management, voting, and even to store unique items like real estate deeds. NEM's wide range of capabilities allowed users to save costs on their business transactions while keeping activities highly secure and auditable. Following the success of NIS1, the second version, codenamed Catapult, was started and built from scratch with C++. And the chain was subsequently rebranded as Symbol. Symbol focuses on the following 5 core values: security, flexibility, efficiency, interoperability, and practicality. So let's take a look at the first core value, security. So like all blockchains, Symbol implements a cryptographic function to secure the data over the distributed ledger network. But Symbol bolsters its security using extra measures. First, it implements a spam throttle, which prevents malicious actors from attacking the system with loads of transactions, while still letting the honest actors successfully submit a transaction. Node reputation plays a part in this. In a public network, like Symbol, anyone can participate to be a node to query from and send data to any node in the network. In order to ensure the quality of the communication, Symbol applies a node reputation system to keep every participating node accountable. Other than the mechanisms that are running in the background, features like multi-level multi-sig gives the control to the user, where they can decide the level of security needed for their accounts by adding multiple guardians. Symbol takes security of the system very seriously, without compromising the user's experience. Now, the second core value of Symbol is flexibility. Symbol allows developers to use any programming language to integrate their solutions conveniently, because it is API-driven. A wide selection of advanced built-in features can be called upon through the API for ease of development, allowing developers to plug and play battle-tested bits of code instead of constructing smart contracts from scratch. Also, if the developers or businesses ever find the options lacking, custom plugins and extensions can be launched at private networks at the protocol level. Interoperability between public and private chains multiplies the business possibilities. Symbol ensures effortless engagement and outcome for its users. So now the third value is interoperability. Symbol is a hybrid chain with native compatibility between public and private chains. Users can preserve an intimate ecosystem in a private chain and then go ahead and communicate freely with the public chain. Symbol's cross-chain swap features enables users to trade assets across different blockchains without using an intermediary. Users on the Symbol platform can communicate with other networks, whether that be Bitcoin or Ethereum, using this built-in feature as long as the blockchains use compatible algorithms. Symbol is constructed to connect with many other networks and act as a hub, or a network of networks. Symbol's interoperability smooths business friction, increases the flow of interaction, information, and innovation. The fourth core value is efficiency. Symbol uses 4-tier architecture that keeps each tier free from disturbing one another. It also allows developers to update any tier without disrupting the other tiers. So, for example, an SDK can be easily deployed at the client level. Having tiered architecture also provides more security for every user. The flexibility of the architecture and the built-in features available in Symbol blockchain reduces the time to market and reduces the complexity of implementation. Last but not least, the fifth core value is practicality. Symbol gives everyone the freedom to create and exchange value by offering a secure and decentralized ecosystem. Our tagline, Powering Possibilities, is meant to spur the imagination of businesses, developers, ecosystem members, and investors about the vast opportunities that exist within the Symbol platform. For developers, learning to build on Symbol is simple. It is not necessary to learn a new programming language. Moving on to be part of the blockchain developer community can be smooth and easy. For organizations, Symbol allows you to transform the way you do business, enabling you to utilize innovative technology to gain an edge against your competition. It is not necessary to recreate your current applications, but integrate current legacy applications seamlessly with Symbol through its easy-to-use, API-driven built-in features. For consumers, Symbol empowers you to store value and exchange it for goods and services via a dependable platform. Symbol puts trust back into your hands through its blockchain technology. Now, in the next video, we will look into the architecture of Symbol blockchain. Symbol, powering possibility.